On mobile device, this is acceptable because it provides an ideal 2 minute distraction while you are in line at bank. But most people would not want to sit down to play an endless runner for an length of time, hence they are relatively rare on consoles and PCs. That means mobile games are meant to be played for 2 minute distraction. That means for less time, for playing for less time. So people don't sit on console for like 5 minutes. They sit on console for 1 hour, 2 hours. So mobile games are meant to be played for um a short distraction. This doesn't mean you can produce rubbish, of course. It simply means that mobile gamers are much more lenient and prefer bite sized entertainment. Obviously, this bite sized nature is often going to be reflected in price, but that just means you can potentially sell at higher volume. That means that means it is not necessary that you will produce any low quality game and it will work out in uh, mobile game industry. In that industry it has a competition also among those games, but it is less competitive as compared to console games or PC games. Several entries in the Grand Theft Auto series have been successfully ported to mobile, as have twin stick shooters, RPG, and others. So, mobile gaming also has a competition because several PC console games are also been shifted to mobile games. So, it has a competition. Most people these days have some kind of smartphone, probably running iOS or Android, and this includes a wide range of different demographics. That means a lot of people are having smartphones like Android and iOS. Why Android is better than iOS for developers? So mobile is a great, but Android specifically is even better. Why? Well, for starters, Android apps can now also appear on range of devices other than smartphones. So that means Android is better because a lot of people have Android phones as compared to iOS. Android is completely open source OS. That means open source. That means OEMs, original equipment manufacturers, can modify it to run on televisions, smart watches, e-readers, washing machines, and wide range of other hardware. So it is an open source OS, and it has become very popular. Practical advantages of Android over iOS. There are practical advantages of choosing Android over iOS as well. A couple of hours. You can come up with an idea of app, put something together and have it live within 24 hours. So practically you can uh, make something and have it live within 24 hours. That means you can release it on that day. To make any real money with game on Android, you will want to try and get into the Google Play Store where users can reach for apps and download them. Doing so cost a single one of fee of rupees of $25 and all handled automatically. So you can start our account for very less amount of money. The app uploads and goes through an automated approval process, and within a few hours, people will be able to start downloading it. You can do this as many times as you like without needing to pay again. Your app will only get taken down if it violates Google policies. That means it is like when you upload an app, then it will be running automatically. So you will not have to pay for monthly or anything. Once it is uploaded, it will be uploaded and it will be downloaded by people.